Hi students, I am back with the third video. Today we talk about the third L of Christine Lagarde, that is about leadership. Let's talk about what is leadership, who are leaders, and what about women coming into that area, leadership. You know that today the women leaders are creating history everywhere. In Kerala also, in today's pandemic time, this corona period, one women leader came up taking bold steps and raising the pride of Keralites worldwide. She is none other than our Shailaja teacher. And there are many other great leaders like Indira Gandhi, Kiran Bedi, and now we talk about that New Zealand's young and charming Prime Minister, and such leaders are there. So, what is the importance of women coming into leadership roles? And which are the areas where women step into? And those areas are political leadership, administrative roles, and entrepreneurship roles. That is political leadership. I talked about that Indira Gandhi, Shailaja teacher, many women like them, many women coming into social service, and later on they take up leadership charges and finally become great and popular and very capable leaders. Those who are there to lead us. Then those administrative roles, many women going up to the higher positions in government and private firms and institutions. Many women CEOs are there. We are very proud of that. One Sudha Murthy, the CEO of Infosys. You will learn about it in one of the coming lessons. Sudha Murthy, we should be proud of. And that is women leadership. Another area is entrepreneurship. Government sector is not the only area where we can find a job. Many women coming into business fields and later on becoming very successful entrepreneurs, very successful ladies, very popular. That is entrepreneurship. So these are the three main areas where women come into leadership roles. So what is the importance of that? By coming into the leadership roles after learning, after getting a good job, when they come to leadership roles, their true potential is brought out. They become full-fledged personalities. They are stepping out of their comfort zones. Their real talent is brought out. And what are the benefits of women coming into the leadership roles? Let's discuss those also. When women coming to the topper positions or top fields, the thing is that it is said that it is popularly acknowledged that they take decisions based on consensus building, compassion, and inclusion. That means they consider others also while taking decisions. At the same time, they also concentrate on the uplifting of that particular institution. The popularity and the raising the status of that particular institution. That is about women leadership. These are the important points that Christine Lagarde covers about. Okay, thank you. I am concluding.